Morning, I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. Today we're going to talk about what is that first drive like? How does it feel? What happens? Why are you nervous? First, I think it's important that you develop a relationship with the student. At the end of the day, you're going to remember your instructor, whether he or she is really good and caring or mean and screams at you. I've been reading a lot of comments and it's kind of on the negative side, right? What I try to do is connect with students. If you don't know, I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. At the end of this year, it will be 22 years, right? 22 years of building good relationships. I've taught over 10,000 students. So let's get right into it. It's relationships. You want to be comfortable. I always come up and greet teens or adults. I do drive adults. I talk to the family. I want to know about you. What's your story? What is your struggle? What are you passionate about? School, video games, just really learning how to drive. Why do you want to learn how to drive? Are you 17, 18, 25, 27, 30? I want to know your name and who you are. I'll tell you a little bit about me. Then we start in the parking lot. We practice having good speed control, good turns, pulling into spots, reversing out, looking out of your back window. Next, after I feel that you're comfortable when you're hitting those milestones of having good speed control, pulling into a parking spot, having yourself properly centered and squared in that parking spot, then we go into neighborhoods. I'm looking for about 17 to 20 miles an hour in neighborhoods. I want to see you look where you're going, because you can see me looking. If I'm going to the left, I'm looking to the left. If I'm going to the right, I look to the right. A lot of beginning drivers are scared to look around. Once I see you looking around, let's work on that steering. We want to have 9 and 3 or 10 and 2. We don't want to palm the wheel. This is palming the wheel. We don't want to turn underhand and throw the wheel. It's really important that you have good control and you feel comfortable. Once I see you have good control, we're going to continue to drive in the neighborhood. I like to make 10 to 12 right turns, 10 to 12 left turns, where you're turning hand over hand, you're having good speed control. After that good speed control, from there, I'm looking for you to be really consistent and just accelerating out of your turn smoothly. And once you accelerate out of your turn smoothly, then I want to see you look where you want to go and gently. A lot of beginning drivers overturn. They drift into the left lane. Or if they're making right turns, they turn wide like a school bus turn and you turn in the wrong lane. So I'm looking for you to go up and turn smoothly. If this brought you value and you learned something today, tell me what you learned, and I'll make more tutorials like this, kind of taking you through the process. I like to call this driver's ed story time. Bye, guys. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel for more details and things coming up. Bye.